today we made this video for you to show how we do the tessellation pattern
using rotation, reflection, and translation.
Yeah, let's get it.
First one is tessellation pattern using rotation. Draw and cut a square and polygons on the edge. Rotate the polygons and stick on the other side. Place the model on the paper and copy the shape on the paper. Choose either center of rotation of the small polygon and use it as a center of rotation. Copy the shape that you get from rotation. Repeat the steps.
A few moments later.
Second one is creating tessellation using translation. Draw and cut a square and the polygons on the edge. Translate the polygons and stick on the other sides. Place the model on the paper and copy the shape. Translate the model and copy the shape on the paper. Repeat the steps. Draw a circle and cut it into semicircle. Place the semicircle on the paper and draw it. Flip the semicircle and copy it. Repeat the steps until the paper is filled with semicircles.
A few moments later.